Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can make a WordPress plugin by using DeepSeek. So in case you don't know anything about DeepSeek, DeepSeek is a new artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT. So we are gonna make the plugin, WordPress plugin by using this AI tool. So as you can see that I have already make a WordPress website, basic WordPress website by using local by flywheel. I made the name learn with Sazzad, and I opened the WordPress admin and the WordPress website as well. So let's make the plugin. So first of all, go to deepseek.com, so chat.deepseek.com, then log in, then give a prompt. So I'm gonna give the prompt that I am sorry I want to make a WordPress plugin where it will show a text, it will show a pop-up in the home page with the text welcome to learn with Sazzad. Okay, so now give me the code accordingly. Okay, so now hit enter. So we opened the code in VS Code as well. So as you can see, this is the website. We are in a public folder and WP content, and then WP includes here is you have to find assets, no, not assets, WP content. In the WP content you will see a folder called plugins. Okay, so where we are gonna install the plugin. So now go to DeepSeek again. As you can see, they're giving us some codes. Okay, so they're given us the code. So first step, create a plugin file, WP content plugins, welcome pop-up. Create a folder on welcome pop-up. Okay, so go to inside the plugin folder, create a folder here, welcome pop-up. Okay, hit enter. So we made the folder. So now what DeepSeek suggesting us, so now welcome pop-up, open a file welcome.php, welcome.popup.php. Okay, now inside the folder we're gonna create a file welcome pop-up, then create a file welcome.popup.php. Okay, so now go to DeepSeek again, copy the PHP code here. Okay, now paste it and save it. Okay, now go to DeepSeek again. So now you can see what he's suggesting us. Now inside the same folder, create a file name welcome popup.js. Okay, js. Now create another file welcome popup.js. Okay, now just copy the code, copy the JavaScript code. Okay, just control save. Okay, now go to DeepSeek again. Now what is suggesting, create a CSS file as well, welcome popup.css. Okay, welcome popup.cs. Now copy the CSS code. save. Okay, so now activate the plugin. Okay, so go to Visual Studio Code, welcome popup.php. So I'm gonna author name, I'm gonna change the author name here, Sazzad. Author name Sazzad. Yeah, version 2.2. If we make it 1.0, it will show us an error, so I make it 2.2. so now control save. Okay, so now go to WordPress admin dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard. Now go to this option plugin, click on installed plugin. As you can see there, the plugin has been created. Now we are going to activate the plugin. Click on activate. So the plugin has been activated. As you can see, this is version 2, authored by Sazzad. So now we are going to reload the page. Okay, as you can see, we got the pop-up as well, so and we can close it as well. Okay, so this is it. This is how we can create a WordPress plugin by using DeepSeek. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to try this new artificial intelligence tool DeepSeek. It is fantastic. It is very popular in this world, and you can gather so much knowledge by using this. So thanks for watching, and to subscribe my channel for the future updates. So thank you.